let me show you easily the best value for money smart TVs that you can get. Over here I have the 32-inch model. So this is the newest version of it. Also, yep, we have full smart TV capabilities on it. And also very little power consumption as well. And the TV arrived very well packaged. Also with everything you need to get started. Also a very nice high quality remote control as well. Also, if you are looking to get this TV, in the description I'll include a special discount links that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress, and also using some extra coupons I managed to get only mine for around 110 euros. So yep, like 110 euros, which is maybe like $120. And that also was with free shipping directly from European warehouse. In my case from Poland directly. It arrived literally in 3 days to me over here. For this price, literally like only a bit over 100 euros to get a smart TV of this quality. I think that's absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, make sure to check it out. When it comes to the design, this TV is absolutely great. As you can see, we have extremely small bezels on it. So almost like not noticeable at all. And also we have very decent included feet as well. Also you can actually mount it on a wall as well if you don't want to use it with feet. When it comes to design, really at this price this looks absolutely amazing. So when it comes to thickness as well, as you see, it's a fairly thin TV as well. As you see, very slim indeed, so it won't take much space at all. And this is what it looks like on the back. Also we have stereo sound as well, obviously, on this TV. So we have one speaker here and another here, and the sound quality is actually probably the best I have seen on these cheap TVs. So not only it's very low, but also very clear as well, I would say. And yeah, the build quality for this price, can't really complain at all. So it looks very well made. Okay. So when it comes to the ports, so it's obviously not the most advanced TV, but we still get our AV ports here, also Ethernet port, 2 HDMI ports, satellite, antenna, and also USB. So no Type-C unfortunately on this TV, but really for this price I'm not complaining at all. We still get like very decent selection of ports here. Also we are getting a very good quality remote control as well with it. So this is the same remote control that gets bundled with even more expensive Xiaomi TV. So again, you aren't really missing anything. So you see you have the quick launch buttons for your favorite things. And yeah, very slim and does the job absolutely perfect. And yeah, when it comes to bezel size and the design, for this price I think it looks absolutely ridiculously good. So again, literally for only a bit over 100 euros if you follow those special links. As you see, such a nice looking TV indeed. Also the best part about this TV is it's running full Google TV system. And also obviously, yeah, not only we can download additional apps on it, but also for example we can connect maybe external like keyboard with mouse and also a game controller. So you can even play games directly as well. So if you go and download some of the games from the Play Store, again, you don't really have to plug in anything in this TV. You can download straight away to this TV and even play some basic games on it as well if you want to. So for example, if you want to pair, let's say like a keyboard or controller or a mouse, so you simply click this like settings icon over here, and you see you can enter the various settings here. For example, input source, Wi-Fi, picture mode as well. So you can also, for example, customize the various picture profiles of it, and also a bunch more things essentially here. Okay, so yeah, if you for example want to connect something to it, so go in the Bluetooth and you can click pair accessory and they will all appear here. Also, I was quite surprised by just how fast the system also is on this TV. Usually if you pay this kind of little money, again, no TVs even come with these smart features basically at this price point. But again, so we have full like Google TV system on this, and also you see if you like scroll something here, it's very fast and responsive. So again, for this price, I really have no idea how they can even produce this thing really. So for example, also, yeah, you see, you can watch directly something from Prime if you have that. Also, for example, Netflix. Also, we have even a free Xiaomi TV service as well. I will show you that a bit later. So again, it has got tons of channels that you can watch straight away for free as well. We can also watch YouTube, Disney, again, Prime Video, HBO Max if you have that, YouTube Music. Also, obviously, we can connect, for example, like a flash drive to it and watch some movies directly from a flash drive as well if you want. And also we have Miracast as well. For example, if you want to cast something from your phone, you can also do that. For example, check this if we enter the Miracast option here, go to our phone, open the Smart View or whatever you have. So you see it appears here. Let's click that and it will connect. So you see, you are connected. Again, pretty much instantly to get all these features for this price. I think that's absolutely ridiculous indeed. So for example, you can open some videos on your phone and watch them directly to your TV. So how cool is this for this price? Come on, this is absolutely insane. And also, yep, we can obviously download more apps as well to this TV. For example, you can either search for something in the Play Store or also like browse whatever they have. I see we also have Kodi if you need that. So Spotify, for example, and also, yep, you can like download and install a bunch of games directly on this TV. As you see, it really has pretty much everything that you would need. And also a huge advantage of this TV over others is that we have a free service as well included, so the Xiaomi TV as well, where we have a bunch of channels. As you see, we have tons of different free channels here. For example, your categories there. And let's maybe check some of it. I won't be able to open them and show them inside due to the copyright reason, but you see you have actually very good selection over here. For example, some horror stuff if you want that, some dramas, and also it shows you like preview basically of what's coming up. Again, this is internet TV, so you need internet access for all of this. So it streams from the Xiaomi servers essentially. As you see, some sports channels if you want that. Also some cartoons, it appears as well for kids. So you see, it really has all the basic stuff that you would need on it. And again, this is included for free. You don't have to pay any subscriptions for this one. So yeah, they simply like bundle this when you actually purchase the TV as well. Also, yeah, I really like how they have actually included these quick launch things on the remote itself. For example, if you want to launch YouTube, you can do that instantly. So again, we have access to all YouTube here as well if you want. And also, for example, you can search for something here. Again, either by simply like navigating on the letters, or again, you can simply type on your keyboard as well if you connect one. For example, let's see, you can search for some channels here. Let's say, and open up. So this, for example, what it looks like when you open the YouTube. You can also, for example, like skip forward. And you see, it also loads pretty much instantly here as well. And if you look at the streaming quality, at this price really, I mean, looks insanely good, I would say. And when it comes to image quality for this price, it's definitely better than I actually expected to get from this TV. Obviously, if you compare it to maybe like 5 times more expensive TV side by side, you obviously tell a difference between these. But if you just need for basic stuff like just watching some YouTube stuff or TV channels, really nothing to complain about, I would say. I see the colors actually are quite popping on it indeed. I'm not sure how well it looks when I show in the camera, but in real life, yeah, it's actually very decent, I would say. And yeah, the sound also is actually very decent. As you see, I only have 16% and it fills already all my room, and I do not really need any louder. And it can get crazy loud if you need to. So yeah, also I have tried other TVs. At this price you really never actually get this kind of sound quality, I would say. Usually it's absolute trash, let's be real. Can't expect much at this price, but you see, as a total package, like decent image, also decent sound, a very fast responsive system. And this is for example what the viewing angles look like if I move around. See, even if you look like this. And overall, is this TV actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, if you are looking for extremely solid TV with good build quality, also good picture and sound quality, then this is completely unbeatable. Again, no other TV even comes close to this TV in the market when you look at the like a total package. So also the excellent system. Again, at this price usually you never even get smart TV features, but on this one we also have full Google TV system for this price. I think it's absolutely ridiculously cool and really no-brainer. And again, if you also perhaps want to get one, make sure to check out those special links I'll include in the description. So personally, again, I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only like 110 euros for it, which is maybe like $120. So again, I'll also include coupons in the description that you can combine with this price and again bring it to around similar price what I paid for. So again, for only a bit over 100 euros to get this kind of image quality, sound quality, system, and also nice looks, I would say. This is absolutely ridiculous what we are getting here. Absolute bargain, I would say. Okay, good luck.